In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to update your resume. First, we'll use ChatGPT to improve your resume content so it reads professionally and clearly. Start by pasting a job description from your resume into ChatGPT and ask for a polished rewrite that uses strong action verbs and a confident, professional tone. If your bullets feel vague, ask it to make achievements clearer and more impactful by emphasizing outcomes. Provide any numbers you're comfortable sharing, like percentages or time saved, and request versions that highlight results first. You can also have ChatGPT clean up grammar, refine wording, and tighten sentence structure so everything sounds consistent and mistake-free. If you're aiming at a particular industry or role, tell ChatGPT the field you're targeting and ask it to tailor the language to match common expectations in that space, while keeping your actual experience accurate. Next, optimize your skills and keywords to work better with applicant tracking systems. Paste a target job description and ask ChatGPT to extract essential keywords, both technical and soft skills. Then have it suggest where those keywords naturally fit into your existing experience and skills sections. Ask for phrasing that feels authentic, not stuffed, and request alternatives if something doesn't match your background. This alignment helps your resume better match job requirements and improves visibility for recruiters and hiring systems. Now, create a strong professional summary. Ask ChatGPT to generate a concise, engaging summary that highlights your experience, key strengths, and career goals in 2 to 4 sentences. If you're applying to different roles, have ChatGPT customize a few versions tailored to each application, keeping the tone consistent with your field. You can also request a more polished format that presents your qualifications up front without repeating details from your work history. Finally, refine and customize the resume for a clean finish. If a section feels too long or too thin, ask ChatGPT to shorten or expand it to improve balance. Request suggestions for readability, such as reorganizing bullets, grouping related achievements, and clarifying headings. Have it create multiple versions of your resume for different roles so you can apply quickly without rewriting from scratch. Before you finalize, ask for a quick quality check for clarity and consistency, then do a final human review to ensure everything is accurate and aligned with your goals. This workflow helps you present a sharper resume, targeted for each job, while saving valuable time during the application process.